Welcome to our channel, English with NS. Hi guys, hope you are fine. Today, we will write 10 sentences on noise pollution. Noise pollution refers to excessive or unwanted sound that disturbs the peace and harmony of an environment. It can be caused by various sources such as traffic, industrial activities, construction, and loud music. The effects of noise pollution can be both physical and psychological, including hearing loss, high blood pressure, stress, and anxiety. It can also disrupt communication and interfere with sleep, leading to fatigue and hypertension. Noise pollution can have adverse effects on wildlife. It can lead to the displacement of animals from their habitats and even cause their death. We can control noise pollution by regulating noise levels in industrial and commercial activities, using noise barriers, and promoting the use of quieter technologies. Individuals can also take steps to reduce noise pollution, such as using earplugs, reducing noise levels in their homes and workplaces, and supporting environmental-friendly transportation options. Noise pollution is a growing concern in urban areas, where high levels of noise are a common issue. Reducing noise pollution can improve the quality of life for individuals and promote a healthier and more sustainable environment. Noise pollution can also collapse old buildings, which are located nearby and declared dangerous. Thanks for watching. If you liked our video, please like, subscribe and also press the bell icon. Plus, don't forget to comment and share.